Kimberly Barlow Creations. If you are new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. Today, I am bringing to you a huge haul, and I mean huge, and it is from a hodgepodge of places like Michael's, Joann's, and Walmart. I found some really neat items at each of these stores. Some of the items are fall and harvest related, and some of the items are for upcoming DIYs. So let's jump into it. Let me show you some of the amazing finds and buys that you can find at Michael's, Joann's, and Walmart right now. I'm gonna start this haul off with my favorite finds, and my favorite finds were at Michael's. Would you look at how stinking cute this turkey is? And it was 60% off of $19.99. Absolutely loved this, had to have it. It was on an end cap, and my other favorite find that was with this owl. I love owls. Whenever I see an owl, it reminds me of my mom. My mom collected owls and she loved them, and so I just kind of feel like whenever I see them, I don't know, it's just a piece of her, and so I picked this one up. It was 60% off as well of $14.99. I believe I paid like $4 or $5 for it. So many of you have seen this owl in the background of my videos. I won this in a gift basket raffle last year at Christmas time, and it was a Michael's gift basket. Michael's has this owl in 3 different sizes right now, 60% off. Since this was an owl I didn't have, I picked this one up as well that you will probably be seeing in the background of my videos, along with this turkey for the fall season. All of Michael's harvest and fall stuff in my area is 50 to 60% off. I found this 6-foot wood maple leaf garland held together with twine. Had to have it. I paid $3.50 for each of these. What a fantastic buy. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do anything with it this year. I'm thinking I might if I have time, but it would be really cute to add letters to it yourself and hang it from your fireplace hearth maybe. Loving these with the dark brown as well. I also found this burlap table runner. It was also 60% off of $19.99. It is 12 inches wide by 72 inches long. There are so many things that can be done with this that I am gonna add to this. I'm thinking that I may add Dollar Tree's burlap maple leaves that I have to this, maybe just glue them on to add some color, and there you have it, you're done, and you've got an amazing harvest and fall burlap table runner. The only problem I see with that is that burlap is great for Christmas. And so I'm thinking I don't want to permanently put those burlap leaves from the Dollar Tree on this, maybe use glue dots to put them on so I can use it for Christmas as well. But what a fantastic buy, 60% off of $19.99. You can't beat it. I should probably say that this was another one of my favorite finds, was this wood tree, and it's a gratitude tree, and you put it together. It's kind of 2D here, you can see. It comes with these maple leaf tags, and every day for the month of November, I think that we are going to write something that we're grateful for and hang it on the gratitude tree. I think that this is a fun find. I think that this is a fun piece of decor to pull out around this time of year. And again, it was 60% off of $14.99. The Michael's in my area had a lot of their wood items taped together as a grab bag for $4, and so I picked up this pack. It seems that there was maybe 4 wood items in each grab bag pack of wood. This one came with the wood letter H. I don't really need an H, but I might use this in an upcoming DIY just to show you how to decorate these. The letter S I think is great for my dad and Kathleen for their last name, so I'm definitely gonna DIY this and give it to them for Christmas. This wood flower, it's a picture frame. It didn't have any glass or backing, but that's not a big deal. I thought that this would be an adorable addition to Allie's room. And of course, I couldn't pass up this wood mason jar. It's a frame as well, missing the back, but that is not a big deal. This is definitely going to be an upcoming DIY that I do for you with paper crafting and just something a bit different. And you know, for $4, this 4-pack, they were $1 a piece. You cannot beat that. I also picked up 15 of these Creatology washable paints. These were in the dollar bins at Michael's and they were $1 a piece. They had so many fun colors. I thought that these were perfect for Allie to use when she's crafting. And so, yeah, I got 15 of these. Michael's had their open stock paper on sale, 5 for $1. And so I picked up a couple 12 by 12 sheets of scrapbooking paper that I will be using in upcoming DIYs. This burlap, surprise, surprise there. This wood, how gorgeous is that? I got this wood one as well. Picked up this real subtle floral paper, a solid metallic gray, this pink and white polka dot, and this green and white gingham. All of these papers will be in upcoming DIYs. I thought it would be fun to add a paper crafting series. So I'll be doing a paper crafting DIY one every couple of weeks just to kind of mix things up a bit. And that is it for Michael's. Let's move on to what I got at Joann's. Their paper stacks are on sale right now for 60% off. And so I got this real fun one, unicorns and rainbows. Can you guess who this is for? Yes, this is definitely for Allie. We have been on the lookout for unicorn scrapbooking paper and rainbow scrapbooking paper. So when I saw this stack by DCWV, had to get it, and I think I paid like $5 or $6 for this stack. It's a heavier duty cardstock, and so this will definitely be used in an upcoming DIY. All of Joann's stickers were 60% off as well, and I do want to add that at Joann's, I did get to pair a 20% off coupon with all regular and sale priced items. And so I got a great deal on everything at Joann's. Not only was it 60% off, but I got to use my 20% off as well at the end. And so I picked up 3 packs of these letters. There's 121 pieces in each letter, which is a fantastic deal. And I paid $2.50 after the 60% off, and I'm not really sure what it came out to adding the 20% off. It was probably something like $2.20 a pack. And so I got it in silver. I was looking for the gold. They didn't have gold. I got it in white and black. These will also be used in upcoming DIYs. They are a great alternative to using the Cricut for those of you who don't have a Cricut. You buy a pack of these when they're on sale at Joann's for $2.50 or $2.20, and these are beautiful to add to some DIYs that you may want to personalize. Picked up a pack of these white and silver tags. These will be used in an upcoming Christmas DIY. There are 36 pieces, and I believe I paid about $2 or $2.50 for this. And lastly, I think for $1.50, I picked up these black numbers, and there are 390 stickers in these. And this will also be used in an upcoming Christmas DIY as well. And this is it for my Joann's haul. Let me show you what I picked up at Walmart. Walmart had these cotton stems. They had them for $2.98. Walmart has an amazing selection of harvest and fall decor, reasonably priced. I think that the quality is a bit better than what you get at the Dollar Tree. Not much better, but it is a bit better. Loving, loving, loving all of the harvest stuff that Walmart is carrying. So if you're on the lookout for some of the cotton stems that you missed At the Dollar Tree, you can get this bigger cotton stem for $2.98. And Walmart has these smaller cotton stems for $1.34, which are just as cute. They've got the raffia or the corn husks here. I picked up 3 of these. Again, these are great to add as decoration to your towels in your bathroom. And that is it for Walmart. I did make a stop by the 99-cent store. If you have a 99-cent store in your area, they too carry amazing fall and harvest decor. I found this 2-pack. They're 10-inch foam corn picks. I found them in yellow and this harvest red. So I picked up 2 packs of each of these. Definite great buy for 99 cents. And I also picked up 4 packs of this, I don't know, it's called pip garland. I don't know really what it is. It kind of reminds me of berries. This is 72 inches long. Each of these, I picked up 2 in orange and 2 in the burgundy. Not sure what I'm gonna do with them. I may use the burgundy for a Christmas DIY. I just really liked them, and so it may be something that I just put in my stash. It may be something that I incorporate into a garland that I add to my fireplace. And lastly, from the 99-cent store, I picked up this bag of acorns. There is 5, and it is a multi-size bag. By far, Michael's was definitely my favorite stop this shopping haul. I think I found some amazing items that I can utilize for both this fall and harvest season and for Christmas. That burlap stuff is amazing. I love burlap, I love twine, can't get enough of it, and so I love that I can use it for both holidays. I hope you all enjoyed this video and you found some items that you are interested in picking up. If you did, make sure you get out there and you pick them up before the sales are over. Please give this video a thumbs up and let's get this video to 2,000 likes because those thumbs up really do help my channel to grow a bit faster and helps YouTube to notice me a bit more. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.